Hey, are you tired of that little voice in your head that keeps saying I can't, it's too hard, or I'll do it tomorrow? We've all been there. That voice is the sound of excuses, and it's the single biggest thing standing between you and the life you want. Today, we're not just going to talk about excuses. We're going to learn how to silence them for good. This is your guide to finally breaking free. First things first, you have to take radical responsibility. This means accepting that your life, your choices, and your results are 100% on you. It's so easy to blame the economy, your boss, your past, or just bad luck. But here's the truth. Blaming others gives them power over your life. When you take responsibility, you take that power back. It's not about blaming yourself, it's about empowering yourself. Say this with me. My life is my responsibility. It's a simple sentence, but it's the foundation for everything that comes next. The moment you stop looking for someone or something to blame, you start looking for solutions. And that brings us to step 2. Shift your focus from problems to solutions. Our brains are wired to spot problems, it's a survival instinct, but successful people train their brains to find solutions instead. So, the next time you hear yourself saying, I don't have enough time, stop. Rephrase the problem as a question. How can I find 30 minutes in my day? Instead of I don't have the money, ask, what are 3 creative ways I could fund this? This simple shift changes everything. You move from a passive victim to an active creator. Your energy goes from complaining to problem solving, and that's where the magic happens. Your brain is a supercomputer. Give it the right problem to solve, and it will find an answer. Now, let's talk about the biggest excuse killer of all, action. We often think we need to feel motivated before we can act, but it's actually the other way around. Action creates motivation. The key is to start small, ridiculously small. Don't say, I'm going to write a book. Say, I'm going to write 1 sentence. Don't aim to go to the gym for an hour. Just put on your workout clothes. These tiny actions are too small to fail, and they break the inertia. This is called the 2-minute rule. Whatever your goal is, scale it down to something you can do in 2 minutes. That first step builds momentum, and momentum is what crushes the excuse of being overwhelmed. Small, consistent actions lead to massive results over time. Progress, not perfection. And that's our final point. Let go of perfectionism. Perfectionism is just a fancy excuse dressed up to look productive. It's fear of judgment, fear of failure, and fear of not being good enough. It keeps you stuck in planning mode forever, because you're waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, or the perfect skills. But perfect doesn't exist. Done is better than perfect. Your first attempt will probably not be great. Your first video, your first business, your first workout, they won't be your best. And that's okay. It's part of the process. Embrace being a beginner. Give yourself permission to be messy and imperfect. Every expert was once a beginner who didn't quit. The goal is to start, learn, and improve along the way, not to be perfect from day one. So, let's recap the 4 steps to destroying excuses forever. 1. Take radical responsibility for your life. 2. Shift your focus from problems to solutions. 3. Take small, immediate actions. And 4. Let go of perfectionism. Excuses will always be there if you look for them, but so will opportunities. Your future is a blank page. What will you write on it? The choice is yours, and it starts right now. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your best life. I'll see you in the next one.